be showing you guys our upgraded drawing machine. Go and check out our other video if you didn't see it yet, because this is a pretty awesome thing and you don't want to miss it. The before and after is just like crazy. We just made a few changes over here. It looks really cool. Now, if you didn't see the other video, I'm just going to go over a few basics, but go and watch that video before you watch this one. We have our battery pack, gives the whole entire thing power. Our infrared receiver, what goes through this little spinny device which spins our drawing table. Then we have our upgraded little pen holder, and of course you can just keep it normal and basic how you build it, but my dad decided to go all out and just do this. So R is battery operated, remote control operated right here. You'll need 2 binder clips. You'll also need a pen, as you can see right here. Then you'll need a sheet of paper what fits your drawing table. Now here's a few things what we have made in the past. Here they come. Dun, dun, dun. So we have a bunch more, but they're in the house. So I'm just gonna move this away. There's one. Another one. And the last one. There we go. Now we're going to show you guys a bunch of different designs, new designs and everything. So you also need to line this up with your drawing plate or drawing table, whatever you call it. Then we are going to control it, but first of all we're going to control the speed of the plate and the pen before we draw. So first I need to take off the cap. So I'm just gonna, however you want the speed of the table and pen, you can just do it. But we're just making sure it doesn't touch the binder clips and everything. It's fine. So I'm gonna not unhook it yet. So I'm just checking if it's overlapping, and then I'm gonna let it draw. Have fun. So we are done. Of course you can let it spin as long as you want. So I'm just going to take it out. If you leave it in for a while, it will start, at first it will start looking like a flower, then it will start looking like a flower, then it's starting to look like this. It will become a whole spiral if you leave it in for long, but we just left it that it's this design. So yeah. Okay, so now we're just going to be showing you guys a bunch of other design. Enjoy in fast forward mode, but first we need to clip it on. There we go. And then clip. We're gonna test it first. Enjoy the fast forward mode.